What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll talk about a new airdrop from where every user can make a huge profit. It's from NEBULAI. It's an AI-based mining project where you can mine their token NEB. It's in the early access, so limited amount of access are reserved. So do hurry and join this project. All the links are in the description box. Click on the link, join my Telegram channel. There you find the link. Just click on the link and you will be redirected to their website. Here you can see that NEBULAI is a platform where developers and users share AI agent solution. By using their network, you can manage or create AI agents. Just click on Connect Wallet. Click on Phantom or any other Solana-based wallet. After connecting your wallet, just click on Get Started. You would be redirected to this type of page. When you come to this page, click on Open Compute. You would be redirected to this type of page. Just click on Start. Here is a button of Start. Just activate your node and you are done. After every 24 hours, your node will be shut down. Just you have to come to this website and activate your node. There are many other tasks. Just do it. Click on follow them on Twitter. Link your Twitter with this. After connecting your Twitter, just click on Go. I simply do all the tasks one by one. Follow their Twitter handle, like and repost their tweet. Join their Discord server, accept. When you come to their server, just click on verify. Click on here and you are verified and you have joined the server. After that, click on join Telegram, join their Telegram channel. After that, reply to a post. Just reply something like good project and you are done here. After that, again come to their website, click on star GitHub. Click on star. If you haven't logged in with your GitHub, just create an account on GitHub and click on start and you are done here. After that, post about NEBULAI. Just post it and you are done. Here's all the tasks. Your node will be connected with different type of server and they will give you some of the points, NEB points. You are just mining it. After every 24 hours, come to their website and mine their NEB and you will be done. No one is talking about their white paper. I have cracked their white paper. How much potential this airdrop had can be determined from their white paper. I have got this white paper from a leak and I have read the whole white paper here. If we go through their white paper, we can see that it's a decentralized AI network designed to promote sharing and collaboration and the use of AI agents. Currently, AI agents are the most demanding topic or the most viral topic on the YouTube or any other social media platform. Go to the tokenomics. If we see there, NEB is the native token that ensures a balanced and sustainable economy and aligning the incentives of all participants within the NEBULAI ecosystem. They have given the circulation of their token. You can read this. If you need the white paper, you can also join my Telegram where I will provide you the white paper. You can do research on them. You can earn NEB token by developing, deploying and integrating AI agents. You can monetize AI solution by charging tokens. They are working on different type of transaction based AI agents. Use NEB token to access premium AI agent. You can use the token to AI agent. You can earn token for providing compute power. They will use your node to compute their power, to their network. For this they will pay NEB token to you. You can also see their roadmap. In Q4 there is a high possibility that they will launch their token. Currently we are in Q3. Within 3 or 4 months they will launch their token. They will expand their AI developer by launching their tokens whole hackathon. You can find this project listed within November or December. So this is for today. I hope that you have find the video very informative. If you like the video, hit on like, and if you are new in my channel, just subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, join it first. We provide regularly different type of airdrop update, market updates, etc. So this is me Raz signing off. Tata.